I did not want to invite a minister to this celebration here. You see, these children have been waiting under the hot sun for over 2 hours now.
Make them wait a little bit. Maybe to pacify them, you could announce once again that the minister will be here in another 15 minutes.
I've done that twice already. Anyway, my dear children, our dear minister will be here at any time now. Once he is here, he will deliver a message in connection with today's celebration here, after which we'll have the cultural program. Was that okay?
Perfect! The minister's secretary rang up while you were making the announcement. And he said that the minister will be here in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Oh, come on then. 15 minutes are more than required to have a cup of coffee. No, it's coming live.
I think I will go and talk my friends.
It's moving.
You must have been dreaming. Courageous like me. I want to see which station on Earth dares to move after it has been fixed in place.
Greetings to you, my young friends. I am your Tirot. Come near, my children. Come near. You don't have to be frightened of me. Should I? Come. My hands are cut up because of fear. Come.
Tirot has come alive. It's alive. Hey, Tirot has come alive. Tirot has come alive. Hooray! Tirot has come alive.
I'm so happy to be with you all. And how wonderful to see the festivities associated with Independence Day celebration. But why are some of you saying still? I have come alive just to meet you all and to have a feel of the Rikasi, our motherland. So what's the delay anymore? Together, let's celebrate our freedom.
Yes, let's celebrate.
Oh. Yes. Yes, sir. It is Tirot himself, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, now he's sitting with the children, while sitting on his lap, and several dozens around him. Okay, sir. The minister won't believe us. He says we both must be drunk.
What? Oh. True that I drink, but as a rule, not before a function.
Oh, the minister is here already. Welcome, minister.
What has gone wrong with you people? Where is that statue? You said it started walking and talking?
Yes, sir. We are not lying. There he is, and Mr. Children there.
And this is the place where the statue was.
So, it's true. Oh, what a melody has befallen on me. We should have fenced that statue long back so that even if he came alive, he wouldn't have come out to nag poor politicians like me. Anyway, tell the finance committee to begin the fundraising campaign. Say, it is to make donations to Tirot. Immediately inform the media so that along with Tirot, I too could get some attention and coverage. Give me the Ghana.
Minister, I think it better to remove the foreign watch, gold change, and the sunglasses before we greet him, so that Tirot Singh may get a better impression of the Australian life.
That's true. You are very clever.
Welcome everyone. You have a scoop. Tirot 6 p.m. has come alive. He'll be with us in a few moments. Oh, there he is.
Oh, welcome, Steve.
Welcome, Sir. Welcome to Tirot 6 AM. What greater honor can I have? My dear friends, Tirot Singh has chosen my own constituency for his second coming because he found it to be the best look after every constituency.
My friend, I don't understand what this hype is all about. All I've come for is to visit my motherland, our Rikasi. I came to look and feel proud of my countrymen living free and in peace. I came to visit my sons and daughters and to see the fruits of the life I sacrificed for them.
Tirot 6 AM. The legacy has changed so much over the last few years. How much more different it is since 1835. Don't you fear that your ideas and principles may be updated today?
Principles change and policies change, but the creed will not change. And the creed that I have stood for are as old as the hills. Although the expression and application of it may change, but not the content.
But Tirot Singh, politics is the grave of today. Many try to enter politics with the pretext of serving society. What are your political ambitions? What are you going to stand for?
I've never entertained any political ambition in my life. This, what you call politics, is new to me. My striving has always been to be a servant, and a servant to the extent of giving up my own life. Politicians today make a personal interest their first priority. They have their reward, wealth and power. What about you? Your reward was nothing but death. Do you expect something different from actively involving in public life this time? I've always believed that life can become more meaningful when we stand for what's worth dying for. My priority for my Rikasi is not the nation winning more India's Got Talent, but less injustice being done and more opportunities given to the young. Not the nation lifting the I-League trophy, but less children remaining uneducated and less people going to bed hungry. Your immediate plan? All I ask now is leave me to myself. Give me time to feel the pulse of the land, the Rikasi that I've always dreamt of and longed to be back in. The land of my dreams, the land of my dreams.
Some others see it as an opportunity to score over their political rivals by aligning with Tirot Singh. Yet others want Tirot Singh to take over the administration.
Give me a minute.
Oh, not bad. You're the first person to reach Your Majesty there, Singh.
Oh, don't be in a hurry. Tirot Singh is up prayer. Can you wait for a few minutes?
Well, tell His Majesty that the representative formed a ruling party and has come to meet him with his party membership enrolled in form.
Hey friends, I heard that the scheme of knockdown states so challenging him.
Why not? But after I met him and got him enrolled as a member of our party.
Oh, so you're here to enroll him as a member of your party? You must have been fed up with you all, considering your inefficiency to run the administration of the state. This time, you will join us.
No, he won't.
I guess he's had enough of both of your parties. He has found an alternative third front. And so, you will join us. Isn't that right, Makalikas?
Tirot Singh is a strong nationalist, and it is a party that symbols of nationalism. This represents not only just the Kashmirs, but also the whole of India.
You are fanatics.
You are saying we test to extreme fanatics politics.
Say welcome. Welcome to our party.
Majesty, I'm sure you must be longing to join us all the time from this party.
Tirot Singh's here. Our party shares your idea of creating a united nation. We stick to our ideology of one religion, Hinduism, and alongside, you can have your one and only united Kasi nation. So, you must join us.
Your Majesty, Tirot Singh, just sign on this form and tell them to get
Afterwards.
I intend to join no political party. The only politics I have is to inspire my people to perform their indispensable duty towards the nation, to be able to stand for truth, justice, equality, fraternity, and progress.
See, Tirot Singh's aim shares our ideology. So, feel what you plan to do.
I want to have a feel of the Rikasi. And the heart of the Rikasi are the villages, where 70% of the population sweat and toil. So as for now, I wish to go into the lap of the Kasi village.
You
it's a sigh of relief for politicians as Tirot chooses to spend his days in the Khasi villages. But shocking realities await him as Tirot steps foot in the Khasi villages of this new millennium.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Attention, comrades. The demonstrators are already here. The instruction from the top is too ruthlessly expressed before the media can win of it. Now, take position, all of you.
Sit down, brothers. Sit down. Down, down, development. Down, down, development. Which is more what? Life or development?
Life, life.
Which is more what? Life or development?
Life, life.
My brothers and sisters, fellow sons of the soil, we are here to fight for our legitimate right. You and I are now sitting on the land where our parents, grandparents, and their great-grandparents have been buried. Every inch of these 1,500 acres of land has been watered by the sweat and blood of our forefathers. Our farmland is fenced today. It is imprisonment today and is crying for liberation. 2 months from now, these beautiful hills will be all disfigured. Sometimes, it's not that we want development, but we crave for our own selfish benefits. No guns, no police, no court order can stop us from liberating our land. No one can stop us from protecting our land. Down, 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 down.
Okay, stop it.
But why, sir? You yourself said hardly an hour ago that the government is eager to work investor friendly. And so, the protest of the farmer must be suppressed at all costs.
True that I said. Now, I have information that Tirot is heading for this village. I am sure, he will side with the villagers. So clear the danger. There is no trace of any police atrocity should be left. I suppose you know the public pressure that will come on us if His Majesty makes any comments against us. So now, go, clear the danger quickly. Oh God, is this the state of the soul of my Khasi?